So today we're going to be saying goodbye to my GC8 Coupe. Stay tuned to find out why. Alright everyone, so if we haven't met before, my name is Cyrus and I am actually in the process of building and restoring a GC8 Coupe. And no, for this video I am not actually getting rid of the car, but we are going to be saying goodbye to the stock body that I found it with the L bumper, with the small spoiler, everything like that. We got parts lined up. But since I'm using this video and my channel to document the build progress, I want to use this video and specifically to basically showcase where the car is at on the exterior and how we found it. So as of right now, all we got to do is we got to get in the car, go to a nice spot, we're going to film some cinematics, and then we'll catch up at the end of the video. As I was saying at the start of this video, we already have a bunch of parts lined up for the car. We just have to go and get them, begin the disassembly, sanding, bondo, primer, and then finally get it painted. And then it'll be looking a little bit closer to what I'm actually trying to accomplish with this car. Those modifications are going to be coming up within the next couple weeks, so if you enjoy my content, if you want to see more, be sure to subscribe and share it around with your friends. It would mean the world to me if you guys were able to do that. With all that being said, that's going to be the end of this week's video, and I will see you guys again next week for the next installment.